How are you, Mr. Seth? You ready?
Yeah, let me get you the key.
2016 Dodge Ram 1500. Dealership has a valet key here. Let's upgrade to a fully working fob with remote. Make sure that key is cut correctly before we duplicate it. Whoa! That alarm is loud. Let's make a better key. Up first, let's decode our key here. We got, I'd say 43312, 43312. We've got a hit. Okay, time to cut the key, okay? All right, remote sending a signal, let's program it. Huzzah! Remote works perfectly for it. And starts the vehicle. There's for you, fully working fob, does everything it's supposed to, okay?